Hi, let's pick up from our last episode on how to ask questions in Tagalog. Hi, kumusta po kayo? My name is Jay. Welcome to my channel, Let's Go Tagalog, the channel that is dedicated in guiding you in your journey in learning the beautiful language Tagalog. This is part 2 of our lesson in forming questions using the possessive nature of Group 2 personal pronouns under the list of Tagalog personal pronouns. This is a part of a larger topic on Tagalog personal pronouns that we have been discussing for several videos now and will take more videos to complete. In this video, we will continue constructing simple Tagalog questions using the possessive nature of Group 2 personal pronouns. Tara, ituloy na natin. But first, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you will be updated of new videos. On to new sentence patterns. But first, do you remember this one? Ang eskwelahan natin ay malayo. Malayo ang eskwelahan natin. Our school is far. Let's create a question on this. Ang eskwelahan natin ba ay malayo? Is our school far? Oo, ang eskwelahan natin ay malayo. Yes, our school is far. Hindi, ang eskwelahan natin ay hindi malayo. No, our school is not far. The following sentences in this pattern mean exactly the same thing as the one I have just recited. Malayo ba ang eskwelahan natin? Is our school far? Oo, malayo ang eskwelahan natin. Yes, our school is far. Hindi, hindi malayo ang eskwelahan natin. No, our school is not far. Let's try some more. Ang simbahan namin ba ay luma? Is our church old? Oo, ang simbahan ninyo ay luma. Yes, your church is old. Hindi, ang simbahan ninyo ay hindi luma. No, your church is not old. Which is the same as, luma ba ang simbahan namin? Oo, luma ang simbahan ninyo. Hindi, hindi luma ang simbahan ninyo. Let's try another one. Ang bahay ni June ba ay malaki? Is June's house big? Oo, ang bahay ni June ay malaki. Yes, June's house is big. Hindi, ang bahay ni June ay hindi malaki. June's house is not big, which is exactly the same as, malaki ba ang bahay ni June? Oo, malaki ang bahay ni June. Hindi, hindi malaki ang bahay ni June. Let's try the same pattern but this time with plural subjects. Ang mga estudyante namin ay matatalino. Matatalino ang mga estudyante namin. Our students are smart. Ang mga estudyante mo ba ay matatalino? Are your students smart? Oo, ang mga estudyante ko ay matatalino. Yes, my students are smart. Hindi, ang mga estudyante ko ay hindi matatalino. No, my students are not smart. Matatalino ba ang mga estudyante mo? Oo, matatalino ang mga estudyante ko. Hindi, hindi matatalino ang mga estudyante ko. Ang mga bisita ko ba ay maiingay? Are my visitors noisy? Oo, ang mga bisita mo ay maiingay. Yes, your visitors are noisy. Hindi, ang mga bisita mo ay hindi maiingay. No, your visitors are not noisy. Maiingay ba ang mga bisita ko? Oo, maiingay ang mga bisita mo. Hindi, hindi maiingay ang mga bisita mo. Ang mga magulang niya ba ay mauunawain? Are his or her parents understanding? Oo, ang mga magulang niya ay mauunawain. Yes, his or her parents are understanding. Hindi, ang mga magulang niya ay hindi mauunawain. No, his or her parents are not understanding. Mauunawain ba ang mga magulang niya? Oo, mauunawain ang mga magulang niya. hindi mauunawain ang mga magulang niya. Our last sentence patterns come from the sentence patterns we have discussed in episode 26 and 27. Remember these sentence patterns? Ang bahay ko ay malaki at magara. Malaki at magara ang bahay ko. My house is big and fancy. Let's turn these into questions. Ang bahay mo ba ay malaki at magara? Is your house big and fancy? Oo, ang bahay ko ay malaki at magara. Yes, my house is big and fancy. Hindi, ang bahay ko ay hindi malaki at magara. No, my house is not big and fancy. Which are the same as, malaki at magara ba ang bahay mo? Oo, malaki at magara ang bahay ko. Hindi malaki at magara ang bahay ko. Ang kaibigan niya ba ay mabait at matalino? Is his or her friend nice and smart? Oo, ang kaibigan niya ay mabait at matalino. Yes, his or her friend is nice and smart. Hindi, ang kaibigan niya ay hindi mabait at matalino. No, his or her friend is not nice and smart. Mabait at matalino ba ang kaibigan niya? Oo, mabait at matalino ang kaibigan niya. Hindi mabait at matalino ang kaibigan niya. That's about it for now. Let me just say that there are other ways of asking questions using the possessive nature of group 2 personal pronouns. But I hope that you can use the sentence patterns in this video as your building block in forming your own Tagalog sentences. In the next video, we will talk about the second use of group 2 personal pronouns, and that is using them in what is called object-focused sentences. What are object-focused sentences? Well, we will talk about that in the next video, so please do not miss that. I will catch you then. Maraming salamat at hanggang sa susunod.